Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to yet another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with the Naturally Stud. Alright y'all, welcome back to yet another video. I went ahead and had to jump on the bandwagon and take advantage of getting these knotless soft locks, y'all. This is actually my first time getting locks this long. They're only 18 inches, but I love them. Normally I do it from scratch with not the crochet pre-made locks. So this was really dope. It gave me the length and still the look that I like. I'm actually thinking about adding a few curly strands to each lock just to kind of bohemian it up, if that's a word. But I absolutely love the results. Let me show y'all the length real quick. I know y'all clicked on this video to go ahead and see the method that I did use. I did see a few videos of different options, and this option I did that in the next clip is actually was the easiest to catch on to. It may look difficult, but I'm gonna try to edit it that you're able to catch on like I did on a video I seen on YouTube. Love the knotless look. The way the technique I usually do anyway, it is a bit knotless because I never had a bump per se, but I love the idea of getting a longer look and with less labor of getting it, if that makes any sense. So absolutely love it. Don't want to hold y'all up. I know y'all clicked on this video to go ahead and see what sis did. So without further ado, stay tuned for the next clip. Thank you guys so much. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that whenever a new video is uploaded, you'll be one of the first to know. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next clip, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Alright y'all, so my hair is fully blown out. I'm actually sweating. I had to turn the air on. It was 82 degrees up here. But I went ahead and blow dried. It's actually shrinking right now because it was way longer, but I'm sweating, okay? It's hot. So I'm going ahead and actually using nothing better than natural lighting. That's why I'm actually facing this way, and this bad boy is to the right of me rather than behind me. That's the desk over there that I normally record at, that all the lights and stuff are over there. But it's a beautiful Saturday and I'm like, why not go ahead and enjoy this natural light? Nothing beats natural light. So y'all, in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the intro of me showing you what I did, I'm going ahead and trying for the first time the knotless soft locks, y'all. So as y'all know, I'm always doing faux locks. However, I always tend to do like a bob style. So this time around, I wanted them longer, as well as I don't want the knots, okay? I'm a knotless braid girl, so why not go ahead and spin it off onto the faux locks? I watched a few videos. For the most part, it does look simple enough for me to be able to try and attempt. I've seen a few options. You can either put the crochet faux lock into the plait and let it hang from there, or you can crochet it through. I think I'm gonna go ahead and plait it into the braid instead. It just seems easier and much simpler, and anything that's not too heavy or that's gonna basically put any tension to my hair is the way I'm trying to go. So in today's video, I'm going ahead and actually using, I purchased two of the Expression Springy Afro Twist here. It does say it's pre-separated and pre-fluffed. So I believe that's the best here to go ahead and match the faux locks. And I went ahead and purchased 5 of these bad boys, which is the new Locs by Bobby Boss. This is actually the 18-inch. They did have the 24-inch, but I feel like because I'm gonna go ahead and plait it into the plait, it's gonna add a little bit of extra length anyway. So each package of this was $7.99 and it was $8.99 for the Afro twist. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I hope I don't look red. I don't know. But, and then I have me some clips. This time around, I've normally used the Magic Finger hair thing gel, but this time around, I'm gonna go ahead and give a try to the Shine and Jam. I usually see the yellow one, but this one is actually Supreme Hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this bad boy out. All right, y'all, so I'm super excited. Wish me luck. I'm gonna start in the back, of course. Not sure if I'll be able to record that part. I don't want them super small, but I also don't want them too big. I know parting is very important, but for me the front is more important. I don't care much about the back. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get started. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to come on here to kind of explain what's going on. I try to slow it down to basically have you see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm basically braiding my hair, plaiting it, whatever word you may use, and then I'm going to take the crochet faux lock to basically attach it on one strand out of the 3 strands. So there go the loop, and I'm going to go ahead and pull through the strand that's loose. You see my left hand is holding down the other 2 strands, so the one that's loose, I'm going to go ahead and try to pull that 3rd strand through, then hold it up out of the way, and then just continue braiding. It's the easiest method to me. It's no tension on the hair. I'm struggling right here. This was only my 2nd braid, so keep that in mind. But as I kept going, I got better. But for the most part, it was simple. Also, depending on how long your hair is, depends, I guess, on how far down you go in braiding, because you're going to take the hair and then the kinky hair and then basically wrap from the root to the end until it ends, which I did for my hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really easy. I guess it depends on how long you may want the faux lock as well, because the more to if you put it to the end of your hair, then the longer it will be in length. So keep that in mind as well. All right, y'all, so much for that natural light, honey. Natural light said, bye, honey. You taking way too long to finish that first row, okay? So I'm on my 2nd row. I actually just did the first one of my 2nd row. I hope you can see it. I hope I'm in the frame. But y'all, It's coming out really good. It's looking natural. I'm trying to be sure that it doesn't look any different from what I'm wrapping to the actual lock. But it's definitely no knots, baby. No knots, because it's called Knotless, okay? Knotless soft locks. I'm liking it. I'm just gonna come back when I have pretty much half my head done and I get all the way to the top. I'll speed up some parts so at least you'll see what I'm doing, do some close-ups, some in and outs and all that good stuff. And then I will see you when I get to the top of my head.
Show.